Hey guys, today I'm going to help you reset the service B indicator warning message for 2011 and like models of Mercedes Benz. This will likely apply to the ML and GL series, likely from 2007 to 2012. This particular model is a 2011 GL450. And as most of you know, when you turn on the ignition or you start the car, you see the vehicle service warning. So we're going to do this by inserting the key and turning the key on just to the first level, not to this level, but back a level. Okay, so I'm going to start over again. Just turn the key to level 1. Only the SRS light should be on. And at this point, you go down to the steering wheel, and what you're trying to do is use these buttons and navigate from that menu to the mileage. So go up and down with these buttons right here. Sorry, it's a little bit dark. These buttons until you see the mileage displayed. Once you see the mileage displayed, what you want to do is press this R button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, until you get the 12 volt displayed. And then you go back to these buttons again, and if you press the down button, that one right there, you'll get this full service, service menu. And you want to do is now use the minus button on this side and go down to confirmation. Okay, going back to the left side, if you hit enter, or this particular one right here, okay, that takes you to full service. Okay, and we want to hit enter again. Service confirmed. Now what we're going to do is turn the key off, take it out, put it back in. We're going to start the car. And the message has gone away. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much.